Hello student, we have to start the second one topic, matrices. So we know that the definition of matrices already we have to see in 11th. So matrix मध्ये आपण definition, order, types, transpose of the matrix, multiplication of two matrix, addition of two matrix, subtraction या प्रॉपर्टीज आणि एक्झाम्पल्स कन्सेप्ट आपण ऑलरेडी 11th मध्ये पाहिलेले आहेत. सो in this year we have to see the elementary transformation and inverse of the matrix, also define the application of matrices. So then the first one type, elementary transformation. So the elementary transformation means the operations on row or the columns. So there are 6 operations, 3 operation on row and similarly 3 operation on the column. Let's see one by one. So the first one operation is interchanging of any two rows or any two column. ऑलरेडी हे ऑपरेशन्स आपण डिटर्मिनंटमध्ये बघितलेले आहेत, सगळे 6च्या 6 ऑपरेशन्स. फक्त आता हे आपण कशावर अप्लाय करणार आहोत? मॅट्रिक्सवर. सो फर्स्ट वन ऑपरेशन इज इंटरचेंज ऑफ एनी टू रोज और एनी टू column. Let we have to consider a matrix. So we have to consider a matrix A. Matrix are denoted by the capital letter. So we have to consider the 2 cross 2 matrix. Let it is 1 2 3 4. So it is 1 2 is the first row, 3 4 is the second row. That means 1 3 is the first column and 2 4 is the second column. So we have to interchanging any two rows or any two column. Let we have to apply the operation. We can change your R1 interchange to R2. आता इथे काय इंटरचेंज करतोय आपण? R1 interchange to R2. It is the symbol of interchange. So then your resulting matrix. So the resulting matrix is not equal to A, which is equivalent to A. Okay, it is not equality which is equivalent to A. So the matrix is, so we have to interchange the first row and the second row. So the first row can be written as second row and second row can be written as first row. So it is the matrix is 3 4 1 2. Another example, we can apply the same operation on a column. Let we have to consider the matrix B has the order 3 cross 3. It is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 4 2 3 5. It is the 3 cross 3 matrix. That means order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. So we have to apply the operation on the matrix is, let we have to change your second column interchange to your third one column. So second column interchange to third one column. So your resulting matrix is, yes, we can interchange your first column. No, your first column as it is. Only we can interchange your second and third column. So second column can be written as third column and third column can be written as second column. So it is the first one operation, interchanging any two rows or any two column. So then the next one operation is multiplication of the elements of any row or the column by non-zero scalars. That means we have to multiply by any non-zero scalar. कोणत्याही एका नॉन झिरो स्केलरनी म्हणजे कुठल्याही एका रिअल नंबरनी तुम्ही कोणत्याही एका रोच्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता. Okay, let we have to consider the example. So let the matrix A has order 2 cross 2. Let again consider it is 1 2 3 4. So then we have to multiply the second row by 2. So that means we can apply the operation on second row. So your second row can be changed by 2 times second row. Okay, so we have to multiply the scalar 2 on the second row. So your matrix A can be written as, so your first row 1 2 as it is. Only we have to change your second row. We can multiply by 2 on the each element of that row. So 2 into 3 it is 6 and 2 into 4 it is 8. So it is your resulting matrix. Another example, let we have to consider matrix B has order 3 cross 3, same as it is matrix Q as. So it is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 4 2 3 5. It is your matrix B. So we can apply the operation on second column. Okay. So your second column can be changed by half of second column. That means we have to multiply 1 upon 2 by the second column. That means we have to divide 2 on the second column. So your matrix can be written as, yes, first column as it is, then second column can be changed by divided by 2. 2 upon 2 it is 1, 0 upon 2 it is 0, and 3 upon 2 is 3 upon 2. Your third one column 3, 4, 5 as it is. It is the second operation. We can multiply by the element of any row of or column by the non-zero scalar. So then the last one operation is adding the scalar multiply of all the elements of any row or column to corresponding the element of any another row. That means कोणत्याही एका रोच्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला तुम्ही एका स्केलरनी मल्टिप्लाय करून तो रो तुम्ही दुसऱ्या रोच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स बरोबर ॲड किंवा सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करू शकता. लेट वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर अगेन एक्झाम्पल. युअर मॅट्रिक्स ए इज 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can apply the operation. So we can change your first row by first row plus 2 times second row. That means तुम्ही second row ला 2 या स्केलरनी मल्टिप्लाय करून तो second row first row ला काय करणार आहात, ॲड. त्यांचे करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स तुम्ही ॲड करणार आहात. So your resulting matrix can be written as, yes, we can change the first row. So first row तुम्ही चेंज करणार आहात. कशी चेंज करणार आहात की त्यामध्ये 2 टाइम सेकंड रोचा एलिमेंट काय करणार आहात, ॲड. मग फर्स्ट रोचा पहिला एलिमेंट कोण आहे, 1. 1 प्लस त्यामध्ये कोण ॲड करणार आहात, 2 टाइम द करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट ऑन द सेकंड रो इज 3. Similarly 2 is the second one element of the first row. We can add 2 times the corresponding element in the second row is 4. So your second row as it is. So your matrix can be written as, yes, it is 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Yes, it is 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 3, 4 as it is. Similarly, we can apply the column. Let we have to consider your matrix is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 3, 5. Yes, it is your matrix. So we can apply the operation. So second column वर आपण ऑपरेशन अप्लाय करूयात. So second column can be written as second column minus 2 times first column. Okay, second column can be written as second column minus 2 times first column. So your matrix B is, yes, फर्स्ट कॉलममध्ये काय चेंजेस होणार आहेत का, नो. सो फर्स्ट कॉलम ॲज इट इज. सेकंड कॉलम कसा चेंज होणार आहे बघा, सेकंड कॉलमच्या एलिमेंटमधनं 2 टाइम त्याचा करस्पॉन्डिंग फर्स्ट रो मधला एलिमेंट काय होणार आहे, सबस्ट्रॅक्ट. सो इट इज 2 minus 2 टाइम 1. Similarly 0 minus 2 टाइम करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट इन ए फर्स्ट कॉलम इज -1. So it is 3 times corresponding element in a first row is 2. That means 3 minus 2 times 2. So 3, 4, 5 as it is. So your matrix can be written as 1 minus 1, 2. Yes, it is 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 2 into -1. So minus 2 into -1 it is plus 2. So 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 2 2s are 4. So 3 minus 4 is -1. So it is 3, 4, 5 as it is. It is the operation on the row or the columns.